270.
270. Anyone has a different guess? 360. Anything else? 270, 360. Anything different from these two? 180. Alright, let's try something out. Okay? I'm gonna say all these three answers. Let's see how many of you agrees with it. Okay, so first up, 180 degrees, 180. Come on, let's see those hands. Alright, we got quite a few. The next 270 degrees, 270. Whoa, that's a lot more. And last but not least, 360 degrees, 360. Wow, pretty much the same as 270. So which is the right answer then?
270.
It is actually 270 degrees. Alright, so let me explain why is it so 180. That's what you and I can do. So now it's from the left to the right. Owls are capable of much more than that. But 360 is not possible. And it's one full circle. You only see that in a horror movie. Okay? So the owls are only capable up to 270 degrees due to the 14 neck bones. Us humans, we only have 7. They have 14. That's right. And you know what, Belong? It's time to head back as well. Off you go. Thank you very much, our lovely owls, everyone. Thank you. Now, birds of prey are known as excellent hunters. For example, the owls, they are able to hunt their prey by pouncing on them, ambushing. Our next bird of prey has a unique way of hunting. They are able to snatch prey from most surfaces. So to demonstrate that, I'm holding on to a stick. What I'm gonna do with this thing is I'm gonna skewer a piece of food at the end of it. We shall see our bird of prey fly out from that corner, and he will try to snatch this piece of food. A gentle reminder for everyone here, please remain seated. Do not try to reach out and touch the birds as they are flying above you. Is that okay? Awesome. So with that said, let's now welcome Rado! Here he comes from the top, and whoa! Looks like someone tried to sneak one past me, so he managed to snatch that off. Let's try this once again. Alright, Rado. And look at him circling around me, very natural behavior from them. Look at him diving, and another smooth snatch. Well, not only that, these birds are able to catch food in mid-air as well. So Rado, would you like to show off now? Alright, I believe he's still enjoying the treat, and he's coming. Here we go. Look at him. Whoa, that was a great catch. Now, would you like to see more of that?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes. Right, that's it. Rado will now be joined by his team of Brahmani Kites. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I'll be doing 5 high throws, and let me see how many of those throws can these birds catch. Starting with number 1. Come on. Come on, guys. Alright, great start. Next up, number 2. Awesome. How about number 3? Anyone? Great catch there. We got 2 more throws. Let me see if I can do it higher this time. Hold on, hold on. Okay, incoming. Awesome. Finally, our last throw, and ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our Brahmani Kites. Alright, they are really great today. So the other Brahmani Kites can be found throughout Southeast Asia and in some parts of Australia as well. And some of you might be thinking this must look very familiar, have seen them somewhere else. Well, they are a local species right here in Singapore, can be found in Malaysia and even India. Alright, they have a very beautiful white head and chest. That is the plumage of an adult Brahmani kite, similar to a white-bellied sea eagle. The juveniles will be in dark brown overall. And talking about the Brahmani kites, if you'd like to take a closer look at them, do head down to the Raptor Retirement Aviary. If you're wondering where that is, take a look at the exhibit right at the back. That is the Raptor Retirement Aviary. It houses not only our former show kites, Celtics and Wally, but other former stars as well. So we care for all these birds, whether they're young, old, still performing, or even have retired. Now do head down there if you'd like to take a look at species that you will not see in the show. We have a greatest spotted eagle, a black vulture, and the critically endangered hooded vultures. And I believe all the brownie kites are back inside because our next star does not like to share the space with them. Thank you guys. So right here in the Jurong Park, we do our part in conservation and rescue work. In fact, our next bird of prey making his way out was actually rescued and nursed back to great health by us. So introducing to you, Genghis, our Himalayan red-fin vulture. Come on out here, boy, don't be shy. There we go. These species can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas and Tibet. The some migrating juveniles heading south happen to have lost their way and have ended up in various parts of Asia. And Genghis happens to be one of them. Now, he was found weak and dehydrated along shopping district right here in Singapore. Now, where exactly? Along Orchard Road. Now, we rescued him and nursed him back to great health. Looks like Genghis decided to head back home in a different way. He's right on top. Okay, you know what? Let's not force him out here. Let's give a big round of applause. Genghis, our Himalayan red-fin vulture. Alright. So since he's there, right, let's just make sure that he's actually confined because our next, he's secured, but because he's actually quite close out there, so not to worry. So besides, talking about vultures, our next group of birds has a very important message regarding these species, alright? And with that said, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we shall continue. Near threatened? That's right. As for the Asian vulture species,